How to fix Microsoft Forms stuck in a group. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you've ever moved a Microsoft form into a shared Teams or SharePoint group, you might have noticed something frustrating. The option to move it back or shift it to a different group completely disappears. Microsoft treats group ownership as one-way street, leaving your form feeling permanently stuck. Today, we're setting up a quick workaround to break that form out of the group and clone it right back into your personal dashboard. So let's just look at how to do this. Also, guys, before we try fixing anything, there's a huge catch you need to know. If you're looking at your dashboard and can't find a groups section at all, it means you are using a standard personal Microsoft account. The groups feature is completely restricted to business, work, or school accounts. And let's talk about the workaround. So if you are on a business account, you can scroll to the absolute bottom of your Forms homepage right here, expand also. Let me just reload. As you can see, I have show more, expand it like this, and open up your group forms section. It can either be right over here in the bottom, or also among some of these tabs, right where we have my forms shared with me. You can also have it here. And guys, in order to move it out from the group, as you can see, we have this tutorial. So as it says, we just find your form, okay? You just move, and instead of moving to a team, you just make it personal, right? So move it to the personal folder. So as you can see, I'm going to even prove it to you. So if you click on three dots, as you can see, this person has move. If I do it, you can see I only have copy, open favorite, etc. So I don't have that option. So for that, just like I said, you will need a business or work or student account. And then you just choose where you want to move. In our case, of course, is going to be our personal, and then you do it. And also, guys, you can use another method. Move your cursor to the upper right corner of the screen on the ribbon, click the three dots, just open up your form, three dots, and then choose collaborate or duplicate. And look inside the setting, find the share as a template section, or just like this, gets a link to duplicate. There you go. And you can just clone this form and send a link to it to yourself or to someone else. Copy it to your clipboard, and now a completely blank, and then open up a completely blank new browser tab, paste that URL and hit enter. The page will load with a prominent button at the top that says duplicate this form. You click that and the system instantly drops a fresh, independent copy of that layout right back into your personal dashboard. So pretty much what you're doing, you just opening up your work form. For example, this test quiz is my work form, right? We just go ahead and three clicks. We just go ahead and three dots here, duplicate, create a link, copy, open up a new tab, paste this link, and then as you can see, you can just go ahead and duplicate it right over here. And by this, you will turn it from work to and from group to your personal. That is it. Enjoy this workaround. If this helped, like and subscribe.